there, my name is Paul Brouillette and I'm with LAER Realty Partners. Thanks today for tuning into our video blog. Really appreciate you joining us. Today we want to talk about people who are selling a home which might actually be more valuable if it were torn down and the land was used to build a new home. We find this is happening in resort areas. It's also it's a process that applies to many homes that are older, deteriorated, or that may not be up to the par of the neighborhood that they happen to reside in. If you own a property that's like that, there are several factors to keep in mind. One of which is that when you pursue the building department, you may want to find out, does your property conform to be able to be converted into one or multiple building lots, or are you going to have to pursue Board of Appeals activity? If you have to go through the Board of Appeals, you probably have to hire a surveyor, an attorney, and go through the appropriate channels in order to determine how many lots your property can actually be created into before you contemplate the thought of having your home torn down. Secondly, you want to make the determination by consulting with a real estate professional as to whether or not your property is worth more as the single house that stands on the property, or whatever it might be, versus what it might be worth if the house was torn down, that value is eliminated, and how much is the land worth based upon what lots are selling for in today's market. Third, you want to allow enough time so that if you do get a building permit, that you want to allow that process to play itself out adequately. In some cases you may have to go through historic commission approvals. You may have to go through another channel where you're getting approvals from abutters, and you also ultimately would have to get building permits furnished to a buyer before a buyer is likely to pay a substantial price for that property. And last but not least, if you have any questions, thoughts, or concerns regarding your situation, feel free to reach out to us. My name is Paul Brouillette. I'm with LAER Realty Partners. We here serve the northeastern part of Massachusetts, and we can refer you to a terrific agent worldwide. If you need to reach us, you can call us at the number on the screen, or you can reach out to us online at www.homesrs.com.